Back to the channel. We're a bit quiet this week because my compressor's gone down. That leaky pipe I had. So while that's getting fixed, I'm on a catch-up week and I want this gone. In a nice way, I want it gone though. So yeah, we're going to be getting all the work done on it. Finished off, buttoned up, try and get it painted. There's a lot to do, a lot to catch up on. Just put a bit of filler on engine bay now. I'll talk you through it, show you what it's got, what it's having, and we'll go through all the little jobs step by step. There's a lot. Start at the front. Obviously a Group 4 rally car to be. So we've got strut brace, bulkhead strengthener, chassis mounted, gussets, strengtheners on top. Not sure if to bring the cage through yet, as I know you can't use it to do forestry. So new up-to-date cage, got Group 4 tunnel, new seat boxes, full new floor. Put a strengthener on here for hydro brake. We've got 15-inch rear tubs, 4-link boxes, diff tunnel. Yeah, we've got tank well there. We've got a 4-link kit to fit. I'll either take some measurements off my car or we'll get an axle because we haven't got one yet. But yeah, we've got full floor fitted, chassis rails, skids. Yeah, there's a lot to do though. We've got a sill mounts for stands, as for the seat belts. Yeah, we've got sill mounts, seat belt eyes, finish off a bit of welding here and there. Yeah, there's a lot of rubbing as well, a lot of filler work, and also fit all the new arches. Don't know what he's going for yet. Super wide ones probably. Yeah, so video doing all the little jobs. Let's get to it. Right, we're going to put some filler on now. I've shown you how to mix it before. Mix it till it goes hard. And just wrap it in. This car's already had a life, so it is a bit bruised and battered. And tighten it up. Drip spread around the floor. Take the bar out in a minute. There then. Look good. A few hours of skimming and sanding. I've just put another coat on now, another skim. Bit tacky, it's going off now. Then I'm gonna start masking up to seam seal the engine bay. and then we'll get some primer on it. Hopefully tonight. No, I won't. Maybe tomorrow. We'll see. There we go, that's the engine bay all filled. I'm gonna start doing a bit of masking, start putting a bit of seam sealer down, and see what she looks like. Give it a few hours to go off, and then I'll put some primer over the top, and we'll see if we need to do any more filling or not. Let's crack on. You think he's done a full day's graph, won't you? What's up, Cozzy? You tired? You tired? Good boy. Right, seam sealer's not there. Let's get it on. So, got some seam sealer and a brush. You can tape this to do a nice edge, but depends what kind of look you're going for. So I do it. Just freehand. So just where the seams are. Hopefully put some on. Right, so I'll show you close up in a minute. Want it to look pretty neat. Put it on a fast forward and then we'll see it on. So that's that one side done. You can see. Just makes it look a lot neater. So I'll get the other side done and see how she's looking. Engine bay all done. All seam sealed. We'll let that go off now. I've gone in every joint so there's no water getting in anywhere. Will be a rally car, so we're protected. We've done under wheel arches both sides. So I'll let this set. Might be tomorrow now, and then we'll get some hard-built primer over the top. I thought we might as well carry on. While we're waiting for seam sealer to dry, we might as well get it here sanded down, seam sealed, and we'll prime inside and engine bay together. Get some 120s, it's full of grit from where we blasted. Get it all sanded down. Key up, as you can see. So I'm gonna give it a vac out now, then we'll get some seam sealer on it. here we are. All insides, all seam sealed. Oh, the camera looks a bit blurry. Yeah, all seam sealed. So I'll leave that to dry till tomorrow, along with the engine bay. That's all inside, all seam sealed, along the tunnel, floor area, in the back. Yeah, we'll leave that till tomorrow with the engine bay, and we'll bang some primer on it. Pointless just prime it engine bay when we can do the floor as well. Right, it's home time. To another day. Good morning to another day. Yeah. For another day. Should be priming today. Seam seal's all set. Engine bay as well. But I thought I'll do a to-do list, because I was jumping ahead before I prime. So I need to make seat boxes and fit them. Fit the sill stands, they go through the sill, big tubes. Seat belt eyes, rear firewall, I need to rivet that together. And weld the inner sill to the outer. And then I can prime. So I'm hoping to get that lot done today, if I can. So let's crack on. Start on the seat mounts, because they're the biggest job. And we don't really have any bucket seats to try. So we'll have to go in here. Mine's past all regulations. So I need to make basically the seats fit the same as I do in mine. So I need to measure where the seat boxes are in my car. I might end up just pulling a seat out, and that way I'll know the bang on. Yeah, let's crack on. I've got my thick sheet of steel there for the base plates to weld onto the end of the seat bars, so it's solid. So I'm going to mark them out now. Cut 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 of them out, I think. Cut 4 of them tubes, and we'll see what we can do with it. Job over with. Here they are. You see them? So these, I'll flip you around. These are going to go right weld onto wherever I position them. 1 foot front seat box, foot back. Same on exhaust tunnel. So I need to measure off mine. I've decided not to take the seats out, it's just hard work. And if I want to use it, I've got to throw them back in. So yeah, measure bar now, how much we need, cut them out. These bars will go in here, put them go into the tunnel and the inner sill. These boxes are cut to length, but they'll need chamfering, so they slot in position where I need them. So they're a bit long at the minute. I'm going to measure off mine now, where we want them. I can weld these on, I'll tack them on, and then position them where they should be. So we've these marked out now off my car. So we know where the seat boxes are going. But that's going to be the edge of the box. So this plate will add that. So I've marked it further up, because that will be something like that. and get a flappy wheel, clean it up, weld them on. Right, what I've just been doing here is I've levelled the car on the spit, then I've put a spirit level across the tunnel and basically measured down from the spirit level to the plate and then measured down spirit level to the plate. Otherwise you wouldn't know if your seat is off, would you? So with them marked out, I'm going to put the other base plate in now, and hopefully they're in line. So with the base plates tacked in now, I'm going to chamfer the tube and then try and get it to sit in nicely. So basically just take wedges out, keep offering it in for a minute, mile off, and then obviously check the car's level still, and then make sure your box is level as it sits in. All chamfered, no gaps around it, nice and tight. So I'm going to copy that one now because it does fit nicely in that one. So yeah, I'll copy 2 of them and I'll tack them in. Also making sure level because you don't want seat to be pissed. Seat bars tacked in. Yeah, took some leveling at car. Had to get the big spirit level out, and the next one down, and the next one down. So the level that way, the car's level that way, and the car's level that way. So, don't know if you've seen it, but it's level that way. And it's also level that way. So I'm going to make the other side now, I think. Don't need to video that, it's just the same. And then basically, I'll just weld them all up solid. Just crack on. Welcome back. We've got the shell span round now. You'll seam seal every joint. Then it's ready for primer and then stone chip. Yeah, we decided to get underneath in paint just to speed things up a bit. I'm going to bang you on a time lapse now, and I'm going to seam seal it all. So I'm going to stone chip it now it's all seam sealed. Got some paint, over paintable stone chip in grey. I've only got a couple of tins, see how far I can get it. Get it set up. This is where 2 tins of stone chip gets you, so got this area done along top, bottom, back end. Could do probably another 2 tins for millet floor and inner wings. Remember people, this is a rally car, shouldn't get smashed to bits, hopefully, if it's driven right. So yeah, I'll go and get another couple of tins when everywhere opens. It's only about 7 o'clock this morning, so yeah, and then hopefully might be able to get it in paint tonight. We'll see. There we go, that's them welded up. Slap some seam seal around them. That's them done. I'm on to sill mounts now. The good challenge of trying to drill through the outer sill, inner sill, and then I come through the box on the cage. I'm gonna wrap up this escort for the week. I've got a white board here with everything I had to do on it this week. So we'll run through them, see where we're at. So we had to make seat bars and fit them. Just my pen not to work. Let's go and get another pen. Right, so make seat bars and fit them, done. Sill stands, not done yet. Seat belts and the eyes, done, welded in. Firewall, not done yet. Welding inner sill to outer sill, done. Under seal it, done. Stone chip, done. Fits Watt linkage, done. This is the Watts linkage. So that makes the car 6 link. So you've got these 2, 1, 2, and then your 4 link bars go in them 2. Right, so we'll call that a do for this week. Next week needs to be in paint. So I'll leave you with a nice surprise, what's going in it. Hope you enjoyed the video, thanks. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Well, this is the engine going in. It's a Diamond Millington Series 1. This is got Colin McRae's model number in there. I believe this were one of so many built for him. Not sure how true it is, but it's stamped on there, his name. So yeah, this is what we'll be fitting to her. This is 345 brake, I believe. Yeah, should be good fun. Thanks for watching.